Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I am simply going to teach you how you can reverse a clip on your Premiere Pro while editing. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, as you can see, I have loaded up a clip right over here. So now if I want to go ahead and reverse this clip, all I'm going to do is simply click on the video itself, and finally once I have done that, I am going to right click onto the video, and over here there is going to be a tab that says speed/duration. So I am simply going to go ahead and click on that. And finally over here, as you can see, there is going to be a check mark which says reverse speed. So you can simply go ahead and click on reverse speed, and over here on time interpolation I'm going to click on optical flow and click OK. So finally, once you have done that, it's gonna take some time to load up, but as you can see, alright, let it load up once, and now as you can see, this video is going to be reversed. It's gonna take some time to go ahead and render itself, but it's not rendering currently because I also have my recorder open at the same time as my editor. So it's just going to go ahead and blend and properly reverse the video for you, even though it doesn't look like it on mine screen. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and if this video helped you out, comment down below and let me know. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.